At the bottom of home page, the app provides 3 different options to upload the invoice. First option is Take Photo via Camera. Tap Take Photo via Camera button and camera will open automatically. Simply focus on the picture and click the picture of the invoice you wish to upload. Note: please allow Mera Bill Mera Adhikar app to take pictures and record videos on your device. App will process the picture to autofill these details in the invoice fields. If there are any mismatches, user needs to review the autofilled details and correct them before submitting the invoice. Review all details and tap on Submit Invoice button to upload. On successful upload, an acknowledgement will be generated. The generated acknowledgement number with invoice details uploaded will be available in My Invoices section. Please note that the user needs to keep the hard copy of uploaded original invoice safe for producing the same physically in case of winning the prize money. Other than this, the user can upload the invoice using any of the 2 options, that is, choose via gallery and number 2, upload a PDF. To view all the uploaded invoices with their respective details such as date, time of upload, amount, etc., visit the home page of the app and tap the My Invoices button. Please note that a user can upload maximum up to 25 invoices in a calendar month. The app will not accept any invoices further during the month. Next month, count starts from 0 again.